Students, for the semester 3, there is a two main exercise in the practical. One is organic qualitative analysis. In qualitative analysis, it is just as like you have already performed in semester 1. The second exercise, it is the organic estimation. It is simple volumetric analysis, that is a titration. But here, organic compound is taken and we should measure the compound given solution. It is by the estimation. First, there is a amide estimation. Total 4 exercise is there. By video, we perform 3 exercise. Here the first video for you. There is a acetamide estimation. For that, we required 1 normal NaOH solution, 0.1 normal HCl solution. It should be filled in the burette. This is the burette is here, and it is filled by the 0.1 normal HCl solution. Original amide solution is given into the measuring flask. It is transferred into the conical of the borosill. It is a 250 ml conical is. Now this exercise, there is a 2 part is here. In the first part, it is the estimation of amide. For the estimation of amide, we have taken the amide solution in this 25 ml NaOH is added. Amide solution is given to you in the conical flask. How many ml is taken, it is the unknown. But all of you have added into this solution 1 normal NaOH. Now this solution is boiled into the sand bath. This is the sand bath, and it is arranged in this manner. We have arranged a trifold stand and burner and keep this conical flask into that. Here the funnel is there, and boil this solution about 40 to 45 minutes. Now what happened? There is a reaction is there. Acetamide, that is CH3CONH2 plus H2O and 1 normal NaOH. In between that, by the reaction, ammonia is evolved, and how many solution of the amide, it is transferred into the sodium salt. It is the sodium acetate is obtained, and the ammonia is evolved by this one. Up to the ammonia is evolved, that means reaction should be there, and there is a no ammonia is out of from this solution, that means reaction is over. How can we judge the ammonia gas is there or not? So it is just test by the red litmus paper. We put red litmus paper on the top of this one, and the vapor is touched to the litmus paper. It should be turned into blue. If there is a blue, that means ammonia is there. There is a no blue color, means there is a reaction is completed, and then we have to burner off and keep this solution for cooling. Now in the second part, there is a 25 ml NaOH solution. It is the 1 normal NaOH solution is taken. It is filled up to the 250 ml by distilled water. Then shake well, and it is transferred into the beaker. જ્યાં સુધી ગરમ થાય 40-45 minutes, up to that time we are free. So we have to perform first the second part, and for that dilute the 1 normal NaOH solution and take 25 ml by pipette into the conical flask. It is simple acid-base titration. In the first part, that is the standardization of the NaOH. It is the first part, and for that 1 normal NaOH in the measuring flask, and then in the burette 0.1 normal HCl. For the acid-base titration, there is a phenolphthalein is there, and we just titrate. We have filled up to the 0, and for the titration, you see the color is removed out. It is the 23.2 is the reading. So this is the reading of the part 1. The part 1, it is the standardization of NaOH solution. We have taken 2 to 3 reading and write into the observation table, and then mean of the reading, and we have to calculate the normality of the NaOH solution. So by the part 1, with the standardization of the NaOH solution, we have calculated the normality of the NaOH solution. Then for the second part, already Sturm estimation should be completed. Again, this solution should be cool up to the room temperature. Otherwise, we have added the distilled water into this. We have added distilled water, and then transfer into the measuring flask. This solution is transferred into the measuring flask, and again dilute up to the mark. Measuring flask is a 250 ml. Whenever the tip is come, remove out the funnel and just add up to the mark. So this is the 250 ml diluted solution of the amide. Shake well again, and by the pipette, again wash it. By the pipette, take this solution into the measuring flask, add phenolphthalein solution, and again titrate against 0.1 normal HCl. Here we add 25 ml 1 normal NaOH. It should be used for the estimation. Then how many NaOH solution is left? It is titrated against the HCl. Suppose this reading should be we have taken, and it should be either 13.8. Reading is 13.8. So this is the solution. Is the NaOH is left for the from the 25 ml. Now, how many NaOH solution is used for the estimation of the amide? So there is a reading A for the part 1. It is the blank reading. The second part reading, it is the unused NaOH solution. So it is the part B. So A minus B, it is the C, and this one is C is the used up reading for the titration of amide. There is a calculation is there. How many amide is we have calculated? So for 1 liter or 1000 ml, one normal HCl, it is equivalent to 59 gram amide. So there is a calculation is given in your book. You have to calculate this thing, and used up reading C is taken for the estimation of amide. So we get the amide proportion, and then into 10 calculation we get actual what is given amide solution we have into the conical flask or into the measuring flask that we have get. So this is the estimation of the amide. It should be very important. There is a sand bath is there, and how we proceed the whole process, it is the necessary. Okay guys, and we have taken the result